So, hello, what's up mga kamata? Nagbabalik, no? Yun, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung tatlong tokens na gusto kong pag-investan, okay? Isa dito yung XRP, ADA, and SOL. So, alin dito yung, yung top 1 to entry ko. Pero lahat dito mag-i-invest ako mga kamata, no? Una is SOL, kasi napatunayan niya na matibay siya at from bear to bullish, andyan siya, may mga investors. Next is ADA. Bakit hindi XRP? Okay, bakit hindi XRP yung pangalawa ko? Kasi XRP has 100 billion supplies. Okay? So ADA only has 45 billion ata, around 45 or 50 billion. Pero ADA is only sitting at around 0.9. Okay? While XRP is sitting around 3, almost $4. So for me, I will wait for XRP to retrace. So for me, XRP is top 3, second is ADA, third, first is SOL.